Yeah, hi, hello friends, very good morning, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for your love and support on my previous videos. I'm back with another interesting food vlog. Thank you guys, thank you so much for your love and response on my previous video on Idli. Please keep supporting me. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Vivin. I'm basically a travel freak and a foodie. So you're gonna see food and travel related vlogs in our channel. So if you're watching me for the first time, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So guys, today is 30th of April and time is around 8 a.m. now. So as you've seen in the description, today we're going to go and try the Mulbagal Dosa. So today we are heading to a place called SLV Mulbagal Dosa, which is in BTM second stage. It's quite famous around in and around BTM, and the best part is that they have got this Mulbagal Dosa. Guys, if you are from Bangalore, you know that you have to travel on this Prasad Mulbagal Dosa, which is in Mulbagilu. To our surprise, it is available in Bangalore. Of course, there are many shops here in Bangalore as well, but this one is quite famous in BTM, so we're going to go and check it. So guys, do watch the video completely, guys. So guys, talking about this Mulbagal Dosa, it is basically a combination of Masala Dosa and Uttapam, and the only difference is that it is going to be a bit fluffy and it's going to get roasted in ghee, and the taste of the food is really very good. And I've actually tried a couple of times this Mulbagal Dosa. So we're going to head to the hotel now. I'm going to give the complete details and honest review about the food taste. So stay tuned. So guys, today we are with Mr. Sampath Kumar, the promoter and the owner of SLV Mulbagal Dosa. Sir, namaskara.
ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಸಂಪತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ SLV ಮುಳಬಾಗಲ್ ದೋಸೆ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. 1 ಇಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟು. ಮುಳಬಾಗಲ್ ದೋಸೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ದೋಸೆ ಅದು. ಧಾರವಾಡ ಅಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಳಗಡೆ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟವಾದ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಹಚ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜನಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಳಬಾಗಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು, ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರಿವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ತುಪ್ಪ, ನಂದಿನಿ ತುಪ್ಪನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಮುಳಬಾಗಲೇ ಸರ್. ನಮ್ಮೂರು ದೋಸೆ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು BTM ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದಾನೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೆಸಿಪಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ದ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾನರ್ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದಾನೇ ನೀವು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ತುಪ್ಪದ ದೋಸೆ ಎಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಡಿಶಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್?
ಮುಳಬಾಗಲ್ ದೋಸೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ದೋಸೆ ನಮ್ಮದು. ಪುಡಿ ದೋಸೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆನಿಯನ್ ದೋಸೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಾತ್ ಮಸಾಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮದು. ನೀವು ಬುಧವಾರ ಬಂದರೆ ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಪಲಾವ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಪನ್ನೀರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಂಡೇ ಬಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೋಮ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅವರೇ ಬೇಳೆ ಪಲಾವ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.
ನೈಸ್
ಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವು ಫುಡ್ ಲವರು. ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಫುಡ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಮುಳಬಾಗಲ್ ದೋಸೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮೂರು ದೋಸೆ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲು. ಸರಿ, ಜನರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ BTM ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೋಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು. ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್. ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಎಂಡೆವರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್. ಹಂಗೆ ಈ ಚಾನಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್.
ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಚಿಬ್ಲು ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟನ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿನೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಬಟನ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್?
ಸರ್ 40 rupees ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಚಿಬ್ಲು ಸರ್?
20 rupees ಸರ್.
Very nice sir. So guys, finally we have got our dosa, Mulbagal Dosa. The texture looks really amazing. You can actually see it. It has got a perfect texture. It has got the perfect texture of Mulbagal Dosa. It's completely roasted, well roasted, medium rare, very authentic, and looks really very amazing. Of the ghee, the essence, guys, it's very mesmerizing. Guys, you can see the ghee is just running out of my hand. I just can't really wait to taste it. My taste buds are just watering. Just don't have no words, guys. I mean, there's just a burst of flavors in your mouth. The ghee, the roasted butter, along with the masala, and along with this potato curry. I mean, I just have no words, guys. I highly recommend you to come and visit this place. The dosa is really nice. I just had the same feeling of having this Mulbagal dosa. I'm actually having a feeling that I'm in Mulbagal now. Just with the light of a press, you can just see the ghee overpowering. Guys, in terms of spiciness, it's very moderate. I would say less spicy. So, senior citizens and young people can actually come and have it. So there's no problem about the spiciness. And guys, chutney is really very thick comparing to other hotels. The chutney is very thick. Start having with the chutney. Actually, the chutney is peanut chutney, and the aroma itself was actually very tempting. So I'm going to have with the chutney now. It's the best feeling ever. So So it's being as a Saturday, so we have got the Saturday special paneer rice bun. The texture looks really very nice, and with the same peanut chutney. And guys, this is available only once in a week. So make sure you come here on Saturday, and also I'm recommending to come on all the weekdays, but it's highly recommended to come on Saturdays, guys. So let's have a try now. Guys, it's really amazing, guys. Look at the paneer. The crispy vada, guys. Really, really nice. So guys, now we have the heart-shaped podi idli. So this is available throughout the weekdays, and it's one of the special dish over here, and many people come here only to have this idli podi, which is in heart shape, guys. And it is just filled with ghee, and the podi and the aroma of podi and ghee is really very nice. And let's try it now. So the idli is very soft, the texture looks really amazing, and if you just squeeze it, you can see that just ghee overflowing. Actual foodie paradise. Trust me, guys. Actual foodie paradise. You will just get mind blown, huh? Just mind blown. So guys, we have come to the end part of the vlog now. Guys, don't judge the book by its cover. One of the best example is this SLV Mulbagal Dosa. We were actually finding a bit difficulty in finding this place because it was in the complete interiors. But after going there, we were just amazed by the food, guys. Guys, the must-try food are the Mulbagal Dosa, the heart-shaped podi idli, paneer pulao, which is the Saturday special. Guys, I highly recommend you to go and visit this place. I was just overwhelmed with the taste of the food. Guys, it is one of the best and authenticated Mulbagal Dosa I have ever tried, guys. You're going all the way around to Mulbagal to try this particular dosa. You can try this here in Bangalore, guys. And have my word, you will be never disappointed with the food. I can really guarantee you. I'll give you the location coordinates in the description below, so you can go and check it out if you are in and around BTM. It's one of the most recommended food I suggest you to go and try. If you have ever tried this food, please post. If you have ever tried this food, please post your comments and feedbacks in the comment section below. So guys, I'll be posting very similar this kind of amazing food eateries and restaurants in our vlog. So please do support me by subscribing. The only way you can support the channel is by subscribing and watching the videos. I'll see you soon with another interesting travel vlog. Until then, this is Vivin signing off. Thanks for watching.